Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a Google Drive link to share files. Google Drive is a popular cloud storage service that lets you store, share and collaborate on files easily. So let's get started. First, log in your Google account and open Google Drive by clicking Go to Drive. Once you are logged in, you will see the Google Drive interface. Now select the file you want to share. You can also search for it using the search bar if you are looking for a specific file. And for example, if you want to share this PDF file and image file, so click on this and right click on this and click on share and click on copy link. So the link will be copied and you can paste the link on any browser and click on enter. You can see the file is opened in your Google browser and your browser. So this is the image and you can download it. So this is the way how to share any files or image link from Google Drive. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe us.